Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to combine clips in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Wondershare Filmora of their official website. When you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Filmora. Now that we got that out of the way guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the file, edit, tools, view, export, and help options. The export is at the moment gray because we don't have any clips inside. Also, we have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and the split screen option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and combine clips in Filmora. So what you need to do is firstly go and add a clip. So I'll be adding a sample clip here. Now you have your first clip inside. What you need to do is go and drag it and drop it here. You can go and click here to make your timeline a bit lower so you can see everything. Now when you did that, you just need your second clip so that you can combine him with the other one. What you will do guys, you'll click again on the clip, drag it and drop it inside. So now you have both clips. What you have to do is go and drag and drop, click on it. You can see it's a small clip, but you can see now that they are one in another, so they're combined. You can click start button and you can see that they switched from one to another. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.